working with RNNs for time series sequences and deep learning. In this video, we'll be learning and going deeper into recurrent neural networks. A recurrent neural network, RNN, is a type of classic neural networks in which connections form feedback loops, thus allowing them to process sequence of inputs while maintaining a memory. This is performed by inserting the output of a node at a particular time t as an input to the next node at time t plus 1. There are 4 different types of recurrent neural networks: one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-one, and many-to-many. Now let's talk about the architecture of recurrent neural networks. There are 4 basic architectures of recurrent neural networks. Fully recurrent. Fully recurrent neural networks is a neural network of nodes organized into successive layers. Each node in a given layer is connected with a one-way connection to every other node in the next layer. Long short-term memory, LSTM. LSTM is a class of RNN which addresses a popular problem of vanishing gradients in RNNs by making use of gated cells. Bidirectional. Bidirectional RNN uses a finite sequence to predict, label each element of the sequence based on the element's past and future context. Gated recurrent units, GRUs. The GRU is like a long short-term memory, LSTM, with forget gate, but has fewer parameters than LSTM as it lags an output gate. Lastly, let's discuss a few applications of RNN. The first one is text autofill. Businesses seeking to transform their workflow with employing RNN to escalate data entry. Language translation. Rather than hiring a native human translator, RNNs can be used to build language translators. Image recognition and categorization. Together with convolutional neural networks, CNNs, RNNs can be used to categorize images with labels. So now you've got a clear understanding of recurrent neural network. You have explored some basic architectures of RNN and also discussed common applications of recurrent neural network.